20,000 pounds of cow feed. I'm watching all the cows and munching. This is ranching awesome. I walk up to the farm like, what up, I got a big shot. I'm so pumped about my kids, they're the next crop. Ice in the tanks, it's so dang frosty, the cows are like, ooh, that's as cold as iced tea. Rolling out the food truck, all the cows are hungry looking lean. Fire up the loader tractor, it's all John Deere green. Dump in the hay, I got girls sitting next to me. Popped in the possum boys, listening to the bumblebee. Yes. What's this? I just fixed it.
Taká kokot jeden. No vidíš, že jedu a na prasaka. Na skle.
To je mlha.
Jsem si kurva pomohl, ty vole.
Ale malem to byla první.
Sakra. Vypadá žákny. Si jezdí na denní svícení. A chceš píčan.
Now I'm pumping it, dropping it past the hole. Now I'm popping it back to feeding bovines any longer. And they will be thin, flipping feet out in the pit. The cattle eat it by the junk. The cows are happy. Now my daughter says she has a hitch. They are watching farmer style. We are watching farmer style. No, for real, write this down. I'm gonna show you rancher style. I think I lost my hay bale, looks like I lost my hay bale. I think it fell apart, looks like it fell apart. Hello, hello, my duct tape fellow. Mr. Red Green is my duct taping hero. The Kansas storm's bringing fear of loss and woes. Us ranchers are like, oh, that's how the wind blows. I'm just a cattle guy. I've got 20,000 pounds of cow feed. I'm watching all the cows and munching. This is ranching awesome. I'm just a cattle guy. I've got 20,000 pounds of cow feed. I'm watching all the cows and munching. This is ranching awesome. What you know about the steak and the marbling? What you know about the leather boots that you're walking? I'm flipping, sit on down and let's eat. Let's talk about the omega-3. We like to get together with all the neighbors and talk about the steak and all of its flavor. The sirloin, the T-bone, the fillet, and the ribeye. They're all grown by this earth-loving cattle ranger. My pappy, he's an earth-loving cattle ranger. adventure. This place was started by my grandpa, he a cattle rancher. City folk be like, oh, that prairie fire, it's just not right. I like, yo, sit tight. The goal of the mission is to reduce tree addition. Cattle don't eat trees, this are not gonna pass it. I call that weeds killing the prairie grasses. I call that killing the prairie business. The fire's the answer, yo.
6.5 hours later.
It's April 26th, we save our prairie with the wind blowing. Burning the grass, kills the trees, brings new growth. Wind sweeping across the prairie makes a lot of smoke.
Vždy ve střed.
Co?
Dávej bacha, bo tam jedou auta.
Ty vole, málo jsme uměli. To je píčus. Jí Pražáku.
Potečka pouhá! Pro rodinu!
Oh no.
It must be punished.
I love the Kansas sky. I love the birds that fly. I've just got one more load left to feed on this dirt road. I love the prairie fire. I love the coyote choir. I've just got one more load left to feed on this dirt road. I'm just a cattle guy.